What's up, everyone? I'm Adam. Welcome to Mustang Nation. Today, I just got off work. I'm here in the daily, and it's about 60 degrees out here on Long Island. Beautiful day, and I think it's a perfect day to wash the car. Now, I picked up a new power washer, foam cannon, and some new soap that should work really, really well. So let's get home, let's get changed, and let's get to cleaning. Okay, much better. So we're out here in the garage, and I wanted to show you my new power washer. This is the Greenworks 1700 PSI, 1.2 gallons per minute electric power washer. It comes with a, I think it's a 1/4 inch or 3/8 quick connect. I can't remember. I think it's a 3/8. If not, I'll put an annotation here. Down here is another quick connect that I put on. Courtesy, the idea came from, Scott over at Dallas Detailing. I'll put a link to his channel down below. Excellent channel to watch about detailing. So I put this on here for this hose that came with it. It's a pretty decent package. I think it was about 130 bucks. So we are going to use this with a foam cannon we got at Amazon and some foam wash we'll talk about in a minute. Okay, Rye, why don't you go start it up? Let's get it out of the garage. Okay, so the power washer we're going to be using today, as I said, is the Greenworks. It's a 1700 PSI flowing 1.2 gallons per minute, which is not a lot of flow, but the pressure is pretty good. Comes with two nozzles, a 25 and a 40. The 40 is probably the one we're going to use when we wash the car. It comes with a 20-foot hose that's cheap, but it's pretty good. I mean, it'll do the job. And picked up this foam cannon from Amazon. It's about $16. I have used it once before with regular car wash, and it worked pretty well. It is cheap, but it will do the job. It does the job quite well. For today, I'm going to be using Chemical Guys Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. I'm pretty excited about trying this out. This was about 30 bucks for the, I don't know if this is a gallon or a half gallon. So hopefully it'll work pretty well. You only use a little bit in here and the rest water. So yeah, let's give it a shot. Easy to use. Plug the hose into here. This goes into an electrical outlet. It has your GFI already built into it. So we're going to plug this in. We're going to put it together, and we're going to rinse off the car. We have our 40-degree nozzle right here. I'll show you what that looks like with the unit off. Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. And you can hear the unit power up, and now that's what we're gonna use to rinse off the car. So the Amazon foam cannon, I think it holds about 1,000 milliliters. We're probably going to fill it up to the first line, which is about 100 milliliters. And we're going to use this, like I said, Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash from Chemical Guys. So let's pour it in. So let's fill this up the rest of the way with water. So we're going to put the nozzle back on the top of the foam cannon and tighten her up. Okay, the great thing about the foam cannon is that it uses the same 1/4 inch quick connect that the power washer currently uses. Lock it in, and we should be good to go. So on the foam cannon itself, we have two adjustments. We have this top adjustments for water to soap. You can either add more water and more water or more soap. In the front, you have this adjustment which controls the wideness of the spray pattern, and you have to fine tune it once you start using it. So let's foam down the car. Foam cannon off. We're gonna put the 40 degree back on. We're gonna rinse it off. Overall, it's a pretty good system for washing your car. The Greenworks pressure washer, it's electric, so that means no gasoline. It's quiet, it won't wake up the neighborhood. And although it flows a decent amount of gallons, the pressure is more than enough to wash your car. But overall, it should be good, and I could probably do some projects around the house with it just by changing some nozzles. Okay, so this foam cannon from Amazon, $16, and for what you get, I think it's a real bargain. What did you think about it?
I liked how well it worked, and you didn't really have to put in a lot of soap.
Mm-hmm.
And after you put it on, not only did it look cool, but the cool thing is that when you put it on, all the dirt just lifts off from the car.
Yeah, on some cars you really have to scrub, but for the Mustang it wasn't super dirty, so we just allowed the soap to pull the dirt right off the car. And like I said, for $16, this thing is a home run. Finally, the Chemical Guys Snow Foam Auto Wash. Yeah, it's a bit more expensive than conventional car wash, but the one time we did use this foam cannon, we used it with regular car wash, and it didn't foam up anywhere near as much of this. Plus, it smells real good, don't it?
Yes.
So it did a really great job on the car. I actually washed 2 other cars afterwards, and it really did a nice job without doing a tremendous amount of work. So overall, I definitely recommend it. So there you go. There's our little system for washing a car using the pressure washer, the foam cannon, and some of this Chemical Guys soap. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments section down below. And if you like this video, make sure you like this video and definitely subscribe to get the latest content here on Mustang Nation. So that's about it. Car's all cleaned up. I'm gonna go take it for a ride. What do you think?
Yeah.
Beautiful day, and thanks so much for watching. See ya.